Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to download apps on your Apple TV. It's actually pretty simple, so let's get right to it. First things first, make sure you're on the home screen of your Apple TV. Then you'll want to navigate to and open the App Store. Once you've opened the App Store, you'll be greeted with the Discovery page. This page is great for finding new apps you haven't downloaded before. You can browse different sections by scrolling all the way to the top. Slide over to the Apps page for a list view of available apps. Then there's the Games tab, which shows game-specific applications. Next to that is the Arcade tab. These are Apple Arcade-specific apps that require an Apple Arcade subscription. Finally, you can go to Purchased to see apps you've already bought. Now, if you're looking for a specific app, go all the way to the search icon. Here, you can type in the app you want to download. Or you can press and hold the Siri button on your Apple TV remote and use voice search. In this example, let's search for the Channel 4 app.
Channel
4, as you can see, it found it. It's the first one listed. So, click into it. Once you've clicked on the application, you can scroll down to read more about it. But to download it, just click the Get button. Mine says, Open, because I've already downloaded it. When you press Get, you might be asked to enter your Apple ID password. After that, the app will begin installing on your Apple TV. Once installed, the button will change to Open, like you see on the screen now. If I click Open, it will immediately launch the app on my Apple TV. To access your apps, go back to the home screen. Then, simply scroll down to find the app you just downloaded, in this case, Channel 4. You can launch the app from here. You can also use the Siri remote and ask Siri to launch the app, like so, Hey Siri, open Channel 4. So there you have it. A simple guide to downloading apps on your Apple TV. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next FixZone video. Don't forget to subscribe.